Myntri Rangbah kajalla Conrad ke Sangma henne kasingi ulasam yaki Cheque ba sanpeu hajar kawe kakanhun. Shaki shispa arpotuli kikanhun self-help group SHG na kaskim Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchahiye Yojana PMKSY Watershed Development Component 2.0. Hakane kasingi ladon lang kiwe ki Menteri Sarkar bakantup kakong amparin lengdo bat uba coming one omban. Hakajingnya don lang ki head officer ka sarkar bat kiriupaj ba. Hab ajingkran Conrad ulaong ba kajing penklay nya ki SHG na du kishnong hakitan kendong kalapen long ya ka Meghalaya kum kajilla ka bakiu bha habaro ka wei kari ban pentrikam ya ka skim PMKSY WDC.
But at the very outset, I would like to thank Government of India and our Honorable Prime Minister for having supported us in this particular program and for having funded to a large extent the implementation of the PMKSY WDS 2.0. Friends, water is one of the important resources for any nation. And in the coming decades, accessibility to proper potable water and water in general is going to be one of the biggest challenges that every state and nation is going to face. We all know that. And all scientific research and studies are indicating towards a major water crisis. Some places already facing them, and most places will face in the coming years. Meghalaya, I've repeated this in many forums, receives approximately close to 63 billion cubic meters of water every year in terms of rainfall. And hence we are very lucky, and God has blessed our state, and enough water resources are there for us. But the problem with the overall management of the water is that out of the 63 billion cubic meters, roughly 61.5 plus minus of billion cubic meters is actually flows down either to Assam or flows down either to Bangladesh. And hence we are only able to retain less than 2 billion cubic meters of water every year. And hence the availability is not the issue. It is actually the management of it which is the critical part. And maybe because the state receives so much of water that we tend to take it for granted, like many other things. When you have too much of something, then you normally tend to take it for granted. And hence, through the years, we have not been able to manage the water resources in our state to an optimal level or manage it in a better manner. And hence, series of programs started by different departments, different externally aided projects and central schemes in order to figure out how we are able to manage, retain, slow down, slow the flow as they call it, and so many other aspects of overall water management.